Hey, how you doing? My name is Reggie, and I want to tell you about Crossroads. Crossroads is, well, it's basically about me.
Excuse me?
What?
About you.
It is.
I think what you meant to say, sweetie, is Crossroads is about us.
True, true.
Hi, my name is Tracy, and Crossroads is our story.
Your story? Whatever.
Please, Susan, don't start.
Anyway, like she said, my name is Susan, and Crossroads should be about me and my Reggie. It's like this. When we met...
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not about either of y'all. Let me tell the story. Hey, I'm Reggie's best friend. They call me Raji.
But your name is Roger.
But they call me Raji.
Your name is...
R-A-J-I.
All right, you two, that's quite enough. Son, let me take care of this. Hi, my name is Greg, and I am Reggie's father. Crossroads is a journey that explores the relationship between a father and his son. Ultimately,
Greg.
Diana.
Honey, you know better. Hi, my name is Diana, and I'm Reggie's mother. We are here to tell you about Crossroads. Crossroads shows how the decisions we make not only affect our lives, but the lives of those around us.
Thanks, Mom. You see, in Crossroads, you will walk with us.
You'll get to know us.
You'll laugh with us.
You'll cry with us.
When it's all said and done, you may have an answer to the following question.
If you could,
Alter your past.
To change.
Your future.
Would you?